Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Laundry Sheets is probably one of the most innovative and eco-friendly solutions to hit the laundry room in years, offering a powerful clean without the plastic jugs or messy powders that traditional detergents leave behind, making them a convenient and sustainable choice for modern households seeking to reduce their environmental impact and simplify their laundry routine. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry with Earth Breeze. Our innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the waste. These compact sheets tackle tough stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. They dissolve completely in any wash cycle, hot or cold. Formulated to be gentle on your skin, yet incredibly effective against dirt and grime. Enjoy a superior clean that cares for your family and the planet. Perfect for home or travel, these lightweight sheets eliminate the mess and hassle of liquid detergent. Just toss one in and let it work its magic. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful, eco-friendly cleaning. Experience the future of laundry with Earth Breeze. What we like? This option is designed to be tough on stains and odors, making it a great choice for those who need powerful cleaning. Its eco-friendly, liquidless format is also incredibly convenient for travel. If you're looking for a potent yet portable laundry solution, this is it. What people say. These detergent sheets are incredibly convenient for travel, as they are lightweight and take up minimal space. The sheets dissolve completely in water, leaving no residue on clothes or in the washing machine. Each sheet is pre-measured, eliminating the guesswork and mess associated with liquid or powdered detergents. Number 4. Freelivity Laundry Detergent Sheets. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover a new way to wash your clothes with our innovative laundry detergent sheets. They offer a powerful clean without the mess. Experience a deep clean that's tough on stains but gentle on the environment. Our formula is hypoallergenic and free from harsh chemicals, making it safe for your family and the planet. Save space and simplify your life. These ultra-concentrated sheets dissolve completely in water, leaving no residue. Perfect for home, travel, and camping. Enjoy the refreshing scent of lemon and orange with every wash. Our plastic-free packaging means you can achieve a brilliant clean while reducing your environmental impact. Simply toss a sheet into your washing machine. No measuring, no spills, no hassle. Store them easily in a drawer or travel bag. Join the laundry revolution with our eco-friendly detergent sheets. Get a superior clean and contribute to a healthier planet, one load at a time. What we like? With a generous 200 sheets and a delightful lemon-orange scent, this choice is perfect for sensitive skin and a commitment to a plastic-free lifestyle. It's ideal for saving space, especially for camping or extended travel. If you prioritize hypoallergenic and eco-conscious cleaning in a bulk format, consider this. What people say. These laundry detergent sheets dissolve completely in the wash, leaving no residue. The sheets are pre-measured, making laundry simpler and eliminating the need for liquid detergent bottles. They are lightweight and compact, ideal for travel and small living spaces. Number 3. Fresh Scent Laundry Detergent Sheets. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover our innovative laundry detergent sheets, designed for a cleaner home and a cleaner planet. Experience a refreshing scent with every wash. These sheets provide a powerful clean, tackling dirt and stains effectively. Make a sustainable choice. Our detergent sheets are completely plastic-free and biodegradable, helping you reduce waste. Crafted with natural ingredients, our formula is gentle on fabrics and kind to your skin. Enjoy a pure clean without harsh chemicals. Lightweight and compact, they are the ultimate travel essential. Keep your clothes fresh wherever you go, with no spills or mess. Each pack contains 100 pre-measured loads, offering incredible value and convenience. Simplify your laundry routine today. What we like? This option emphasizes a zero-waste, natural soap approach to laundry, making it a fantastic choice for the environmentally conscious consumer. Its compact travel size ensures you can maintain clean clothes anywhere. If you're seeking a simple, natural, and waste-free laundry experience on the go, this is your pick. What people say. The sheets dissolve completely in hot or cold water, leaving no residue. They are incredibly compact and lightweight, perfect for travel or small spaces. Each sheet is pre-measured, eliminating the need for messy liquid detergents or powders. Number 2. Eco-friendly laundry detergent sheets. Introducing our revolutionary laundry detergent sheets. They offer a powerful clean while being gentle on your fabrics and the environment. Enjoy a refreshing, natural scent with every wash. These sheets are designed to leave your clothes smelling great without harsh chemicals. Experience the convenience of concentrated cleaning power. Our sheets dissolve quickly and completely, ensuring no residue is left behind. Perfect for life on the go. Their compact and lightweight design makes them ideal for travel, camping, or small living spaces. Our formula is hypoallergenic, making it safe for sensitive skin. Plus, they are free from phosphates, bleach, and dyes for a truly eco-friendly clean. Each package provides 60 loads of laundry, offering exceptional value and convenience. Simplify your laundry routine with these effective sheets. What we like. This product boasts a quick-dissolving formula that's gentle and hypoallergenic, free from phosphates, bleach, and dyes. It's a travel-friendly solution for those who need a fast and effective clean without harsh additives. If you have sensitive skin or prefer a detergent without irritants, this is a strong contender. What people say. These sheets dissolve completely in hot or cold water, leaving no residue behind. The compact size makes them perfect for travel and small living spaces. Each sheet is pre-measured, so there's no need for messy liquid or powder detergents. Number 1. Eco Laundry Sheets, Fresh Linen. Tired of bulky plastic jugs and messy spills? Discover a cleaner, greener way to do laundry. Our innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the waste. Experience a fresh linen scent with every wash. These concentrated sheets are designed for 60 loads, providing an effective clean while being kind to the environment. Proudly made in Sweden, our detergent comes in 100% plastic-free packaging. It's an eco-friendly choice you can feel good about. Say goodbye to spills and messes. Our liquidless formula is incredibly easy to use. Just toss a sheet in with your clothes for a perfect wash every time. Lightweight and TSA compliant, these sheets are your ideal travel companion. Enjoy fresh, clean clothes wherever your adventures take you, without any hassle. These sheets dissolve completely in water, leaving no residue behind. Get a brilliant, fresh-smelling clean with minimal environmental impact. What we like. Originating from Sweden, this option offers a mess-free, liquidless experience with TSA-compliant packaging, perfect for travelers. Its plastic-free design aligns with eco-friendly values. If you value a clean, spill-proof laundry routine during your travels and appreciate Scandinavian quality, this is the one to choose. What people say. These sheets dissolve completely in the wash, leaving no residue. The compact size makes them perfect for travel and small living spaces. They are pre-measured, so there's no mess or waste involved. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.